FBI uncovered redacted intel regarding a black bag operation conducted by General Shepard and carried out by Shadow Company. They were transacting American-made ballistic missiles to our allies fighting Russians in the Middle East. The mission did not go as planned.
What are we carrying this time, Graves?
If I told you, I'd have to kill you.
I bet he'd do it too.
This is nothing but a milk run, boys. Guns for the good guys. We'll be back here at HQ for breakfast. Don't shit the bed and there'll be bonuses all around. Find me when you're back.
Yep.
Shepard's waiting for a sit rep. Don't leave him hanging. Out.
3 containers.
That's a lot of fucking milk. Thirsty friends. Shadow 2 to Gold Eagle Actual.
10 traffic 2.
3 Shadow Victors exiting Highway 7 Zulu. No issues, Actual.
Copy. Get that cargo delivered on time. Do not fail. Eagle out.
Do not fail. Told you this shit was important.
What's this? 3, this is Erickson. What's up?
Got a vehicle in the road.
Stand by. Coming to you.
Graves, Vance, be advised. We're held up. Sorting it out now.
Handle it. Keep the line moving.
Roger that.
Reconnaissance said the route was clear of enemy activity. The reports were wrong. The shipment was spotted before it arrived at its destination.
You gotta move. Sir, you need to move.
I don't like this.
Yada harak.
His Arabic is atrocious.
Yada harak. Minfalik.
Apollo, lean out and cover him. On it.
We need a terp out here. What's the call, sir?
Vance, Apollo, go help him out.
What the fuck? Contact! Everyone is down! Light him up, Apollo! Who the fuck are these guys? Let up the power! Back up! All stations, troops in contact! Taking effective fire! Multiple casualties! Contact rear!
Eliminate that threat, Shadow. This is Gold Eagle Actual. Do not lose that cargo.
Eyes high! Watch those buildings! On the roof! RPG! Just move! Go! They're surrounded! They're everywhere! Where are they?
Actual requesting QRM. Negative. We fight with the guns we have.
Gentlemen, they need help.
You are my help. Now fix this.
You guys are Russian PMCs! What are they doing out here? All stations, we got Russian PMCs out here!
Repeat. Russian.
Enemy troop is Russian!
God damn it, Graves. You said the route was clear.
Too many of them! Graves, we need reinforcements! You guys are Russian PMCs! What are they doing out here? All stations, we got Russian PMCs out here!
Repeat. Russian.
Enemy troop is Russian!
God damn it, Graves. You said the route was clear.
Too many of them! Graves, we need reinforcements!
Actual, my boys are getting stitched up. They need air support.
We can't do that, Graves, and you know it.
Get down!
All Shadows report. Anything to this message is Shadow Actual. What is your status? Erickson, it's Graves. What's your location? Vance, it's Hollow. Do you copy? General, I need Narbird up now. I'm in trouble, sir. I want this situation contained. That means this operation will not be reported.
Graves!
General, my men are taking fire from
We
Russian
got the right-
This situation is not yet
The Russians executed the entire squad and got a hold of Shadow's comms. They learned Shepard was behind it. Russia gave the missiles to Hassan. Shepard's intentions were good, but the shipments were illegal and off the books. He and Graves buried it. The cover-up is always worse than the crime. We were getting too close, and they weren't gonna let that happen. 3 missiles were stolen. We've only found 2. Hassan's got 1 more. We need to find it.
You hid this. Why?
We all keep secrets, Captain.
Why the hell wasn't I informed?
Consider yourself well informed now, John.
Oh, that's really fucking helpful. General, thank you, but you were a day late. The missiles short was 3 of them. We only found 2.
Then point yourself in that direction and fix it.
And who fixes you, eh?
I don't need fixing. I'm a patriot protecting my country.
Protecting your own art.
I do what needs to be done, and no one holds me down with a roll of red tape. I know what's best for the cause.
You've lost your mind, General.
And you've forgotten what you're fighting for, John. To do good, you've got to do some bad. When we shit, we bury it. That's how it works.
Yeah. We don't bury each other with it, do we?
You need to turn off that side of your head and face down the real enemy.
You need to call off your shadow.
Graves?
Yeah.
He's a dog with a bone, and I highly recommend you don't try and take it.
This is your last chance to change your mind.
Then what?
Then after I go for him, I'm coming for you.
¡Órale! ¡Vaqueros! ¡Pongan atención!
All right, listen. We are taking back your HQ. You're getting up prisoner. We are killing Commander Graves.
When?
Now.
This is a fight against our own. We are not 1-for-1 and Los Vaqueros on this. We're a team. Ghost team.
Good to see you again, Salman.
If you're in, take a mask. If you're not, don't.
My troops know the Fuerzas Especiales facility better than Shadow, so we'll have the advantage. Be advised, they'll be on high alert because of the prison break. We'll infiltrate the base with 2 ghost teams. Team 1 is Captain Price, Gaz, me, and 1 pilot. Team 2 is Ghost, Soap, Rudy, and Los Vaqueros. Team 1 will use the tunnels to get to the tarmac and commandeer a helo. My pilot will take the captain up. Team 2 will stand by outside until Price fires on the entry gate and lets them in to fight their way to Graves. I suspect he'll be in my HQ, defended by his best shooters. While Gaz and me locate and secure Valeria, Ghost Team 2 will find Graves and kill him. 4 ghosts in the tunnel.
Copy. Our codes still work.
Affirmative. What's your status?
1 click from the gate with Soap and Ghost.
Copy, hold tight. Out. Good work, Alejandro. Guys, take your 6. Let's move. Weapons hot, hermanos. Heads up. Hold up, listen. Traps. Pichuero, Graves. Let's see. Smoke out. Fucking hell. It's a fucking golda. We'll have to disable them.
What's that?
Cuidado. On the wall. 12 o'clock. Done. It's a controller. Good. There'll be more ahead. Listen for the sound. The lasers are moving. The pipes block them. We can time it.
Good call, Colonel.
I hate to see this in my base. When we find Graves, lo matamos despacio. All you guys.
Got it.
Expect more ahead.
Let's move up.
My men use these tunnels. We practice escape and evasion down here.
¿Recuerdan el simulacro, vaqueros?
¿Cómo olvidarlo, comandante? Los entrenaste bien.
Eres un pancho. Cuando todo se termine, vendrás a mi rancho. Cocinamos una asada.
Heads up for the back.
We're good. Press forward.
See that door? Take a left.
We're not alone. Shadows. How many? 3. Take the guy on the right. Good shooting.
It's a bloody maze down there.
Well, then you got me. This way. Graves set traps. But he didn't change the codes.
Never expected to see us.
What's in there?
Takes us up to the ground level. Stays you up for more charges. Hear that?
Where again, Captain?
On you. Get low. Go under.
Where again, Captain?
On you. Get low. Go under.
Got it. Let's go.
Follow me. Ahead and to the right. Hold your fire. We're in the center of the base. We'll secure a helicopter. Get you airborne, Captain. Gus, you're with me.
Right behind you.
On your 6. Two by the bird. Let's drop them. Good shot. Bravo 6, birds all yours. Despegue, mantente comunicado.
Sí, señor.
Alejandro, yo.
He's my best. Good luck, Captain.
Gus, we're moving in. Interior, on me.
What's the code?
627. Let's hope it still works.
Basis, boy.
Órale, on me. Alcohol swings inside. Copy.
Get him, sir.
All ghosts. On wheels up with eyes on. Copy that. 2 is inbound to the gate. You're cleared hot when target is marked.
Think Graves is in the HQ holding his ground.
Once we're in, we split up. Close air clears the way.
With Shadows on the run, we locate Graves and kill him. Comprende?
Claro y fuerte, teniente. Ghosts, preparados para atacar.
So, get the designator and mark targets for Price in the helo.
Roger that. Good to go. Security gate is off our left side.
Multiple Shadows on guard.
That's our target.
Let's get pre-assault fires on it.
Target marked. Copy. Engaging your mark.
All guns, Bravo 6.
Copy. Get to the HQ and find Graves. Alejandro, use the chaos for cover and get to Valeria.
On me. Go! Go! Graves is in the HQ. We need to find him. Keep pushing up.
Weapons hot for gun run. Waiting for your mark, so...
Target marked for fire.
Quiet, round down. Ready for gun run, Sergeant. Marker.
Pick it up, Soap. We need to locate Graves somewhere in the HQ. Taking Belfed fire from beneath the tower. Take it out.
Target marked. Fire when ready.
Sergeant, target quiet. Shut down.
Tower coming down.
Sergeant Bravo 6 in my fire mission.
Go through the barracks to the main building. That's the HQ. Graves would be there.
That tower looks like it could get us closer to the HQ.
Hit that vehicle with the heli soap.
Request for fire. Target marked.
Snipers on the roof. So, call for fire.
Fuerzas Especiales building. Graves may be inside.
Still got your flag up on the HQ.
Let's keep it that way.
So, check that door.
That's locked. Rudy, what do you got? Breach of charge.
Nice.
Clear to engage all threats inside. If you see Graves, drop him. Hey, Rudy. Sorry about your base.
Yo también, amigo.
It's it. 3, 2, 1. Execute.
Bases, we're in. Orale, on me. All goes, one is inside.
Copy.
Get him, sir. Place will be full of shadows. Stay quiet if you want to live.
So copy. On you, Colonel.
Heads up.
We can check up on him.
Negative. Hold your position. I want everything locked down. If anyone's here, let them come to us. One out.
Clear. Good shooting. Time to get to Valeria. Shadow is heads up on a helo.
That'll give us a chance to move.
Exactly. They're holding Valeria in Hangar 3. Stay out of sight and we'll work our way there.
Hangar 3, roger that.
We can use the vehicles for cover. Stay low. Watch out. Got shadows moving through.
You have any clue Graves was up to no good?
I always keep my eyes on the gringos. But no, I trusted him.
Their support.
Bad men can do good things.
Good men can be bad, too.
For real. What does gringo actually mean?
In the Mexican-American War, the Americans wore green coats.
When was this?
1847. Mexicans wanted them to leave. Gringo home. Gringo.
Never knew that. Sounds like the boys are giving them hell out there.
Bad day to be a shadow.
Bloody right.
If we make it out of here alive, I'll teach you some good Mexican curse words.
Fuck yeah, you will.
Isn't this all hands on deck?
Approaching your position.
Let's see you.
Let's get the lay of the land.
Not too far. Hangar is this way. Stay close.
Check.
Careful. Outside door is open.
Code.
627. Valeria's in a container across the hangar. Should be well protected. Let's roll in quiet.
We got an assault team outside the HQ. They're gonna breach.
casualty! He's done!
627. Valeria's in a container across the hangar. Should be well protected. Let's roll in quiet.
We got the SWAT team outside the HQ. They're gonna breach.
We should move in and plus you up, sir.
No, I want all shooters holding their sectors. I got what I need here. We're going on the offensive. That clear?
Visual!
All clear.
Get to the container. Valeria!
Jackpot.
Now we secure this position until Soap Coast and Rudy take Graves.
Guys to Bravo 6. Prisoner secure.
Rog, stay sharp. We're going for Graves.
Does Rodolfo have the door codes?
No. He has something a little stronger.
It's locked. Rudy, what do you got?
Reach your charge.
Nice.
Clear to engage all threats inside. If you see Graves, drop him.
Hey, Rudy. Sorry about your base.
Yo también, amigo. Set it. 3, 2, 1. Execute.
Contact! Second deck!
He's on the run. Clear in.
Go, go, go!
Find cover!
Second floor!
Target spotted.
Frag out!
Looks like we're clear. Head for the control room. There's an exit in back.
Graves must have used it.
Who'll ask? Let's find him.
All stations be advised. Graves went over the wall. We're hit! We're hit! Christ! Going down! We're going down!
Stupid hell! Captain!
Hijo de puta Graves! Let's get over and stop him!
Rodolfo, what's on the other side?
The training area!
The hell's he doing back there?
So, help me up and I'll give you a hand.
I got you. Go on. Let's end this asshole.
Toma mi mano.
Ghost, you coming?
No. Price and the pilot need help. You two finish this.
Look.
That's not ours.
Holy shit, Graves brought a fucking tank! You ready for this?
Hell yeah.
Looks like the hunters are getting hunted now, huh? Ain't that a kick in the ass?
Can't wait to bake this bastard.
We'll need something stronger to kill Graves in the tank. This is our training area. Plenty we can use. Look around. Find some C4 we can use on the tank.
You and your Mexicano friends fuck with the wrong hombre, McTavish.
Come on, Aaron, let's talk about it.
You think this is a fucking game out here? You wanna play war? Let's play some fucking war, Chicos. One of you dipshits needs to die last. Who's it gonna be?
Oh, fuck yourself, Graves.
You got a healthy disrespect for authorities, so I like that about you.
You're Shepard's lapdog. You get paid to break the rules.
There's only two rules here, boy. Walk away or win. Guess which one I choose? Should've gone home when you had a chance. You and that asshole with the mask? Hide behind that uniform?
Look around, Sergeant. There should be some C4. Find it.
You wore that uniform.
That uniform was a limitation. I shed that skin.
Like a fucking snake.
Like a fucking soldier, son.
Shit, Graves brought a fucking tank! You ready for this?
Looks like the hunters are getting hunted now, huh? Ain't that a kick in the ass?
Can't wait to bake this bastard.
We need something stronger to kill Graves in that tank. This is our training area. Plenty we can use. Look around. So, find some C4 we can use on the tank.
You and your Mexicano friends fucked with the wrong hombre, McTavish.
Come on, Irene, let's talk about it.
You think this is a fucking game out here? You want to play war? Let's play some fucking war, Chicos. One of you dipshits needs to die last. Well, who's it gonna be?
Go fuck yourself, Graves.
You got a healthy disrespect for authorities, so I like that about you.
You're Shepard's lapdog. You get paid to break the rules.
There's only two rules here, boy. Walk away or win. Guess which one I choose. Should've gone home when you had the chance, though. You and that asshole with the mask? Hide behind that uniform?
You wore that uniform.
That uniform was a limitation. I get that skin.
Like a fucking snake.
Like a fucking soldier, son.
You had to make your own little army. Because you couldn't hack it in the real one.
The C4 soap. Use it on Graves' tank. That's almost funny coming from you, but then again, I remember my first rodeo too.
Shit, Graves brought a fucking tank! You ready for this?
Hell yeah!
Looks like the hunters are getting hunted now, huh? Ain't that a kick in the ass?
Can't wait to bake this bastard.
We'll need something stronger to kill Graves in that tank. This is our training area. Plenty we can use. Look around.
Shit, Graves brought a fucking tank!
Hell yeah!
You ready for this?
Looks like the hunters are getting hunted now, huh? Ain't that a kick in the ass?
Can't wait to bake this bastard.
We'll need something stronger to kill Graves in that tank. This is our training area. Plenty we can use. Look around. The C4 soap. Use it on Graves' tank.
You and your Mexicano friends fucked with the wrong hombre, McTavish.
Come on, Irene, let's talk about it.
You think this is a fucking game out here? You want to play war? Let's play some fucking war, Chicos. One of you dipshits needs to die last. Well, who's it gonna be?
Go fuck yourself, Graves.
You got a healthy disrespect for authorities, so I like that about you.
You're Shepard's lapdog. You get paid to break the rules.
Graves is on the run. Stay after him. There's only two rules here, boy. Walk away or win. Guess which one I choose. Should've gone home when you had the chance, though. You and that asshole with the mask? Hide behind that uniform?
You wore that uniform.
That uniform was a limitation. I shed that skin.
Like a fucking snake.
Like a fucking soldier, son.
You had to make your own little army. Shepard's lapdog. You get paid to break the rules.
Stay after him. There's only two rules here, boy. or win? Guess which one I choose.
Shepherd's lap, dog. You get paid to break the rules.
There's only two rules here, boy. Walk away or win. Guess which one I choose. Should've gone home when you had the chance, though. You and that asshole with the mask? Hiding behind that uniform?
You wore that uniform.
That uniform was a limitation. I shed that.
Shepherd's lap, dog. You get paid to break the rules.
There's only two rules here, boy. Walk away or win. Guess which one I choose. Should've gone home when you had the chance, though. You and that asshole with the mask? Hiding behind that uniform?
You wore that uniform.
That uniform was a limitation. I shed that skin.
Like a fucking snake.
Like a fucking soldier, son.
You had to make your own little army. Because you couldn't hack it in the real one.
That's almost funny coming from you, but then again, I remember my first rodeo, too. You're on the short road to hell now, son. I told you to go home, but you didn't listen.
You'll hang for this.
Knock that honor shit off, Johnny. I'll be sipping tequila, forgetting where I buried your ass in a week. That goes for both of you. Can you say the same?
Shepherd's lap, dog. You get paid to break the rules.
There's only two rules here, boy. Walk away or win. Guess which one I choose. Should've gone home when you had the chance, though. You and that asshole with the mask? Hiding behind that uniform?
You wore that uniform.
Tank is taking damage. Hit him again. That uniform was a limitation. I get that skin.
Like a fucking snake.
Like a fucking soldier, son.
You had to make your own little army. Because you couldn't hack it in the real one.
That's almost funny coming from you, but then again, I remember my first rodeo, too.
You had to make your own little army. Because you couldn't hack it in the real one.
That's almost funny coming from you, but then again, I remember my first rodeo, too. You're on the short road to hell now, son. I told you to go home, but you didn't listen.
You'll hang for this.
Knock that honor shit off, Johnny. I'll be sipping tequila, forgetting where I buried your ass in a week. That goes for both of you. Can you say the same? Hey, don't go thinking los 141 are su amigos, hermano, because they ain't. Ellos no le guste usted. Cuando este es cumplido, los amigos will drop los bloqueos like a bad fucking habit, brother. Comprende?
You did it, so? You and me, hermano, brought a gun to a tank fight. Yeah, we did. So up the Ghost, and we're Rudy. Graves is KIA. How's Price?
Angry. Lost a good cigar in the crash. Pilot's okay too. Out.
Alejandro, la base está asegurada. Graves está muerto. Vamos en camino.